the legs in there. It's like putting socks on. It's not a tight fit bear. It's actually more of the standard Build-A-Bears. And then the back, I'm going to put a little, right here, I'm going to put either another tie or a little Velcro right here. And I like to leave the tags on because that just makes it more of a collectible, that it's a real Build-A-Bear. And if you need to take a little polyfill off the top to make the neck fit a little bit closer down into the bear, just take some of that polyfill out, then you can do that. But anyway, she looks adorable in this little Build-A-Bear pink fuzzy outfit. And then trying to work with one hand here. And then this is the little carrying sleep sack. I'm going to put her in there. She's going to go in the box, and I am boxing her up in her official, the new trademark LullaBaby brand box. Again, this used to be Babby by Batet. It is now LullaBaby by Batet. And that is why I have my certificate state that it's LullaBaby by Batet right here. Reborn by artist Cheryl Workentine, and certificate of authenticity. This is not a knockoff doll. You can trust the Batet company. This I got from Target. And yeah, I'm excited that my first one is going out today. So thank you, and I'll be sharing more videos soon. Have a great day.